Hey guys, how are you? I hope you all are fine and spending the good day with the great condition of your health. Welcome back to my YouTube channel. I am here with my another video, and my this video is about some high pencil heel in really beautiful design and different color combination that looks really amazing and really pretty. And as you see this heel also looks really nice, a very beautiful pattern on that looks really amazing and beautiful. And as you see, this pink color also looks really nice, a very beautiful shade of the pink. This one is also a very nice black color heel. Shiny material makes this heel more amazing, and watch this video till the end, then you will get some ideas about the different kind of heels that can help you to upgrade the collection of your heels and make it more interesting and more beautiful. And as you see, this pink color heel looks really nice, a very beautiful sleek high heel. And this one is also a very pretty green color with a very beautiful transparent thing that looks really amazing. And as you know, heels are that type of footwear that you can wear with your every kind of outfit, like it's eastern or it's western. It looks really beautiful with both and enhance your personality, make your outfit more pretty and make it more amazing and beautiful. And as you see, this combination also looks really nice, black and pink kind of combo that look really good. And this one is also a very nice beige color that looks really amazing. And if you like this video, so don't forget to subscribe the channel and also press the bell icon and like this video, comment on this video and share this video. So today's video is about to end. Bye bye and take care, and thanks for watching this video till the end.